Hey guys, welcome back to a new video from Swanky Snacks. I hope y'all are having a great day. Today we are just going to do a little cash collection from a couple of my vending machines just to show you how they've been doing and what I've been up to. I'm excited to get into this video with you guys. This year we are going to take my vending machine business to the next level, and I am very excited to share that with you guys. If you guys enjoy this video, if you guys find this video helpful or informational, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for your boy Swanky. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. But we are going to start with this location now. Let's get into it, guys. All right, let's go. Alright, we are at the first location, guys. Got our trusty cart. Got plenty of drinks and snacks with me. And there you have it. Look at all the empty selections on the top, all the rows. Look at all the empty selections on the snack machine. Because of my credit card readers, I know exactly what to bring in and what items have sold or not. I'm always trying new drinks, guys. Anytime I see them in the stores, I usually will buy them unless they sound disgusting. Here's a couple other new selections. We'll see how the customers like them. Comment down below if you would try the Blackberry Dr. Pepper or the Cream Soda Shop Pepsi. Alright, time for the snack machine. Let's get into it. Alright, snack and drink machine are all filled up. Alright, let's collect the money. Not too bad. Not too bad. Definitely a lot more than the first time I collected. And here's the change we've collected so far. Usually I'll just let it sit in here till the end of the month. So we're just going to put that back. And now for the drink machine. Not too bad. Just a couple bucks, we'll let that sit. Made $89 in cash. And we made, so the snack machine made $116 in credit card readers. And then the drink machine made $89.25 in credit card readers. Alright guys, we are at my second location. Let's go check it out. Let's go.
There's nothing here!
Wow, I was not expecting this machine to be as empty as it is, but we got our work cut out for us. Good thing I got enough products. Let's get to work. Alright guys, let's collect this money. The snack machine collected $83 in cash, and it made $56 in credit card readers. And the drink machine made $46 in cash, and it made $54 in credit card readers. This brings the total for location number 2 to $239 cash and credit card readers. Let's head to the third location, guys. Let's wrap this video up. Let's go. Alright guys, we are at the last location. This machine is a little bit smaller, but I fill it frequently. These machines have been killing it, guys. Let's check and see how it did. Alright guys, that's all the product I have on hand. Let's collect this money.
Rocky Bomb!
And look at all this been building up from the past 10 days. Here's the change that I've been letting build up for the past month. Alright guys, at my third location, we made $205 in cash and $170 in credit card readers. It's a total for $375 in 2 weeks. Not bad for this little guy. The total for all 3 of my locations, guys, it ended up being $908.25. Now that is just in the past 10 days. But alright guys, that is going to do it for me. I want to take the time to appreciate you guys so much for watching the videos, hitting the like button. We will see you in the next video, alright? Take care. See you later. Also hit that subscribe button.